The sign for Emmingers Bakery hung at 3818 Q Street for decades, but today I was driving by and disheartened to see that this had taken its place. I walked around to the back of the building to see if it had been discarded in a dumpster or something, and I found it. Let's go take a look. And here it is. It's lying out back. Discarded. We go inside and see if they'll sell it to me. So the owner of the building agreed to sell it to me. Came back with the flatbed and got a load up there. It's about, maybe 5 feet long, 3 feet tall, something like that. But take it back to the shop. Got it strapped down. Grab a couple of these tube scraps off of here so it'll flying off down the road. Reference is to the far side of it. G or the I. This is awesome. Let's take it back. All right, so here it is. Back in the shop, we got it. This morning started as a depressing despair as this vintage sign was gone. But I had an inkling, a suspicion. I walked around to the back, and there it was lying up against the back of the building. And the building owner sold it to me. Sometimes all you have to do is ask. Sometimes. Worst they're gonna say is no. Save a piece of history. Saving a piece of history. So I would imagine these are probably pumped with neon and just clear glass. Alright guys. We got it back. I'm gonna get it off the truck. And then we'll do a walk around. Stay tuned next time for the walk around. There's a surprise inside I'm going to show you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for restoration updates and more neon related videos. See you next time.